So let's start off with the before picture so you can see the space that we are going to transform. And then we're gonna start to go through the montage, which shows how the design is getting put together. But if this is your first time to the channel, I wanna welcome you. And if you are back, what's going on? My name is Bobby K. I'm a professional landscape designer and general contractor, and I help people who are struggling to visualize what their landscaping can be. I do this through clear, easy to follow, and installable landscape design plans. This design is called a point perspective. We take a snapshot, we implement the design on top, and it's very effective for a before and an after. So let's get into the first couple of components that transform this place. And this is the kind of thing that you can take and adapt and bring to your house. So if you're looking for that weekend warrior project, you've got a template. So a little context, this was a fellow YouTube subscriber who came to me and they had already carved out the bed and they had done a great job. They watched a couple videos and they had learned that it's a good idea to pull the beds off the house and not have everything flat up against the house, because bushes and plants will grow and get bigger and they start to infringe and cover up your windows, and it just never works out really well. They already carved everything out. I think they got some awesome curves going on here. One of the things that I want you to pay attention to is updating existing elements, particularly the front stoop. It's this old, nasty, red painted thing that doesn't fit the color of the house. So if you're gonna paint a stoop, pick something that's gonna go with the color palette of the house. That is just designing 101. Look at the colors and see what you wanna keep and what you wanna get rid of, and then adapt. Hands down, one of the most cost-effective and coolest things that you can do to update your front landscaping is with a walkway. If you've got an old concrete walkway or a paver walkway that is settled or it's got weeds going through, this is a statement piece. This is the first thing that people are going to step on to go up to your house, and you want it to look cool. And it's not that expensive to do. Take out the old one, put in something new, something beautiful. For this design, we wanted to go with a modern vibe. So there are two ways to do this. You can either get XL or like big paver slabs and then put the rock in between, or you can frame out with 2x4s and pour with concrete, and you can go all different sizes and shapes and whatever you want. But this is a way to really make a statement and really make something pop, and it's easy to do. Little pro tip for you, make sure you got a nice compacted base, you allow for drainage, you put weed barrier down, and then you put in your pavers and put your gravel around it, and then frame it with some kind of edging so that the gravel and the mulch or whatever the outskirts are contained. But walkway, definitely a good idea. And your final tip is to soften the space. And how do you do that? Well, you do it with landscaping, you do it with bushes and plants. But here's what I want you to pay attention to. They have an existing bed, or it's really not even that defined, on the left-hand side of this picture. And what you'll see is we created a way for that bed to mimic different elements of the existing landscape or the new landscaping we're putting in. So those two elements tie together, it creates depth and it creates more of a cohesive vibe for the entire yard, not just this bed that was carved out by the house. So when you are landscaping, when you're putting in plants, grab similar items and similar color palettes and pull the two items together so that when you look at everything from the street, it's obvious that all of these different components belong to this house, and you're not quite sure if, well, is that the neighbor's property or their? No, it's obvious. You see boulders, you see color, you see pop. This thing has got it all now, and it's a really cool look. Final bonus tip I'll give you is light up your landscaping, light up your investment. It is a shame to spend all of that sweat equity and time on the weekend, and then you come home at night and you don't see it. Light up your investment. It makes the world of difference, and it's not that expensive to do. At first, this homeowner just had a carved out bed, and now they've got an amazing design template that they can have fun with, and they can go out and weekend warrior it and transform their appearance. And you're thinking, well, that sounds all great, but what am I really getting into? How long is this gonna take? How much does it cost? Where am I gonna get all this stuff? Well, we said a weekend. I think that's realistic to do this project if you got 1 or 2 helping hands. Not everybody is built to just go out and huff and puff it and start digging. But if you got a couple able bodies, you can totally pull it off. As far as where I would get these materials, you could totally get the plants at a big box store. It's doable. They're gonna probably have a decent selection and be pretty cost effective. I personally like to go to a local nursery or a local material supply store that is going to be the kind of place that has lots of pavers and retaining walls and bulk materials. The reason being is you're going to still pay a competitive price, but the knowledge of the guys behind the desk is going to save you so much time and frustration. They're going to tell you the right ways to put things in, how to do it, and what to really expect, and how much of the products you actually need. So I would always go to a pro location to get my materials, get my plants, and make sure that I'm set up for success. And the final is, how much does this cost? If you were installing this design by yourself, meaning you're not hiring a company, you're gonna spend between probably $1,500 to $2,000. 15 to 18 is where I think you're really gonna be, but budget for 2,000. And if you're paying a company, you're probably gonna be around the 6,500 range to 7,500 range, depending on landscape lighting options. So now you got a template, now you have the know-how, and you know what to expect. But this is just one option. Don't you wanna see a couple others? Go watch this video. I got some other really cool front yard landscape design templates and tricks in that bad boy. They're gonna help you. So until then, this is Bobby K saying, creation is everything. So go out and create. I'll see you on the next video.